Low maintenance, private courtyard, palm trees, and you're just minutes from one of the most nature-filled, amenity-packed areas here in the Villages. This is a good one, so settle in just a little bit. I'm Caitlin, a realtor with LPT Realty, and this is Visit the Villages, Florida. Today we are going to be looking at one of my brand new listings in the Village of DeSoto, touring a Charlotte Courtyard Villa that hits the sweet spot between peaceful and perfectly located. This is going to be a first look. We'll be active on the market in a few days for you to set up your own showing, but y'all are going to go ahead and get the exclusive sneak peek before anybody else. You're right by Fenney, which means walking trails, recreation centers, the Fenney Grill, big trees, and just an overall different vibe than a lot of other areas here in the Villages. This is the area that people talk about when they say they want big trees and in a newer section, because you're also going to be close to Eastport, Brownwood, shopping, dining, so you're not making any sacrifices. This home is set up exactly how people want. No grass to maintain, which is of course a huge plus right now with this water shortage and the drought that we have. We have a private courtyard with the tall wall in the back. We have an extended outdoor space, no bedroom walls touching each other, and even a mini split in the garage. Let's go see why this one might be a perfect fit for you. And here we go, 2464 Nelly Road. This is in Lantana Villas in the Village of DeSoto. Of course, we can see before we're even going into the house, we have this painted driveway, and it does lead into the garage, so also painted garage floor. Concrete block and stucco house with gutters. This is the Charlotte Courtyard Villa model, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, about 1425 square feet. Freshly painted black door, and let's roll in. All right, as soon as we walk in, again, this is going to be the Charlotte Courtyard Villa. So straight ahead is going to be this massive kitchen, and we do have the two-tone cabinets over here. We pan to the right-hand side. That's going to feed into the rest of the house. But if we look quickly over to our left, we will have our front bedroom. End of the hallway is the garage, and then we also have our interior laundry. Don't see a lot of inside laundry in courtyard villas. We'll check out this bedroom before we head to the back of the house. Currently being used as an office, does have a closet in here. And this window looks out to the fenced-in backyard. Take a look at how much room we have in this kitchen. Gas stove, and then there is a brand new hood range. Window over the sink. So you can use this area as bar seating. If you're going to have a bunch of people over, there's plenty of seating options here in this home. And then something special, we do have a pantry. I don't know why Village Houses doesn't love pantries, but here we go. Just look at the amount of natural light that just floods into this home. We have 2 entry points to the outside. Right off the dining room is going to be a slider. And then at the back of the house is a larger slider that will take you into your screened-in lanai. To the right is going to be your second guest wing. This one's currently being used as the real guest bedroom. Closet in here, ceiling fans, of course. hallway bath. What's really special about this area is if you do have guests over, they have a pocket door that they can separate themselves into their own little wing. So we're about midway through the house right now, looking back up to the front with the kitchen. Almost in the middle is going to be our dining area. And then this back portion of our home is going to be our living room. Freshly painted. This house flows so nicely for conversations. We'll head into the very back right corner of the home is going to be our primary suite. I know you saw a preview of that lanai. It's great, I promise you. No carpet in our primary. When we head on into the suite, dual vanities. A Roman walk-in shower, commode, and then a walk-in closet. We also have the area for linens, separate from your closet. And yes, you are seeing this correctly. This is going to be another door that will take you out to the lanai. So just look at all of the natural light. Tray ceiling with a ceiling fan out here. It's very bright, but you can see that the lanai floor is painted. So we have some decorative touches going on around here. Fully screened in lanai. There's that private door that will take you to the primary suite. Isn't that palm tree just darling? It's a very nice feature here where we have these stacking doors. So you can see we pushed it all over to the side. Lots of room to go in and out of the house. Let's check out this backyard. So with the Courtyard Villas means that the entire backyard is going to be fully fenced in. And the nicest feature about the outside of this home is that there is no grass to maintain. The front yard and the backyard is fully converted. We have some mulching, we have hardscape, we have concrete. This could be a great area if you wanted to put a hot tub underneath that palm tree. Nice area to relax in the evenings. Look at the amount of shade that you get back there. This will be your step that'll take you back into the dining area. And the gate out to the front driveway. What do we think, guys? Home is perfect for pets, short-term rental, long-term rental. If you wanted to live in here full-time, this house is ready to go. Look at how beautiful. Look at, again, this is all just natural light. This house is flooded with light. Whew, I love it. So what did you think? Could you see yourself living here? This Charlotte Courtyard Villa in the Village of DeSoto honestly checks a lot of boxes. You have the low maintenance lifestyle, a private outdoor space that actually feels like your own little retreat, and then a location that puts you adjacent to Fenney with all of the trails, recreation, and dining, while again being close to Eastport, Brownwood, and then maybe 10-ish minutes to both I-75, the Turnpike, and then, just a stone's throw from everything else happening here in the Villages. This is going to be the type of home that works if you're going to be a full-timer, part-time snowbird looking for something to add to your investment portfolio. It checks so many boxes. If you want more details on this home, or you're thinking about buying or selling in the Villages, I'd love to help you navigate through all of that. We are going to be doing a neighbors only preview of this listing, and then it will be open for the general public first look on our open house on Friday, May 1st, between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If this house catches your eye, be sure to come by or message me for your own private showing as soon as we are live on the market. I'll go ahead and put some links in the description for some of the additional photos and information. And then as soon as the house, again, is actually live and active on the market, we'll replace some of those links with the full MLS sheet so you can set up all of your private tours. As always, we do not discriminate over here, so bring your favorite MLS agent, your favorite VLS agent, no agent, I don't care, it doesn't matter. The seller said sell, so we're willing to work with anybody who wants to buy this great home. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more tours just like this one, and we'll see you in the next one.